What's up, everybody? This is Danny from Valo Solutions. Today we have a 2017 Nissan Rogue with a key start, not a push button. What we did is we did a digital remote start with 1 mile range remotes. So obviously, same key. Now, since it's digital, it can still do the 3-lock start. So you hit it lock 3 times and it'll start. If not, for much more range, 2 separate remotes. This is the 1 button 1 mile, so 1 mile range. And then we gave them a secondary, which is 2,000 foot range. Okay, so both of them much better range. Now let's go ahead and start it with the 1 button. Go ahead, we're gonna hit it once, give it a second, you'll see it green, then you're gonna see the signal, and get a second, it'll start. There we go. And it'll run for 20 full minutes. After that, it will turn itself off automatically. Now let's go ahead and turn it off. We're gonna push and hold it. Okay, let you know it turned off there. Give it a good signal. Let you know that it turned off. Now with the factory key fob, we're gonna lock it 3 times and it's gonna start as well. Let's go ahead and do that. So let's flash there, give it a second, it'll start. There you go. So he's able to do either or. He can do the factory remote if he's within close range, about 800 feet or so. If not, he does have the secondaries. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, give us a call, 708-538-8008. Visit our website, valosolutions.com. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.